What's up, everybody? Ryan Lepper, COO, Smart Prop Trader. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that I'm not sure has been discussed in this industry, at least not to a great extent. And that is the different strategies of long-term investing versus short-term investing, and how diversification plays a role in each, and how each may actually be a diversification tool within the strategy itself. So first of all, long-term investing is typically referred to as portfolio management. This is when you have a long-term mix of assets and you typically pay a financial advisor to do almost nothing for you. They buy and hold. They may tweak things eventually, or some point, they tweak things around, but really not to justify the 1% asset management fee that you are paying them. Within these mix of assets for long term, you might have large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, small cap stocks. You may have some international. You may even have things like the BRIC nations, or I guess I would call it the BIC nations now. In the old days, that was Brazil, Russia, India, China. Now I don't know that Russia would be something that people would want to layer into their portfolios, given the interesting mess that is going on over there. So I'm going to just stick with Brazil, India, and China as a foreign type option or international option as it relates to diversification. You may also include things like commodities into that mix, and investment advisors of high net worth or ultra high net worth people will also include things like private equity or real estate. So that's with a long-term strategy. Long-term strategies, you buy and you hold. And you hope that over a 20 or 30-year period, you average 8 to 10 plus percent. And that's typically been what the market has averaged as a whole. Your goal in that strategy is to beat the benchmarks. The benchmarks would be something like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is not really a great benchmark because it's only 30 stocks. So the other type of strategy that you could do is short term. Short term can be done through something like a proprietary trading firm. Short term is a relative word, I guess, in this industry. That could be a handful of minutes. It could be hours. It could be days, weeks. The point is that it's a different strategy than just buying and holding. You're always at some point looking to exit a trade. Now, you can diversify within this industry as well. Within the short-term trading industry or strategy, you could have currencies, you could have commodities, you could buy and sell things like oil, gold, crypto. So there's many different instruments that you can use to diversify within the short-term trading space. So now I want to look at this a whole different way. So what if those two strategies alone, so long-term and short-term, could be paired together to create a further level of diversification and hence protect your assets in a even more diversified manner? So what if you continue to be a long-term investor, but you strategize and you say, I'm going to take a piece out, a small piece of my overall portfolio, and I'm going to handle that myself. I'm going to be responsible for that myself. And you do that through a proprietary trading firm, through short-term investing. And so now you have your long-term portfolio. You pull out a small chunk that you can do through a proprietary trading firm, and you manage that part of your portfolio yourself. Believe me, it will be so rewarding. You are creating a further level of diversification because you are doing something in addition to not just pure long-term investing. So you're pairing these two styles of methods of investing together, which I don't think very many firms are going to even talk about. Usually in this format, someone either fits one or two of the places. I'm saying that why not make short-term investing, short-term trading, day trading, all done through a proprietary trading firm like Smart Prop as part of your overall portfolio instead of an all or none? Instead of you either have to be a short-term investor or a long-term investor. Why not have some fun with it? and keep your long-term assets where they're at, but take a small piece of your portfolio in your mind, percentage-wise or dollar-wise, and try a proprietary trading firm and learn how to trade. And you have not only a diversification of assets in that way, instruments, but you also have a diversification of strategies. Now you have a long-term and a short-term trading strategy, which I think could be very, very beneficial over the long haul, where you have one where it's a buy and hold and one where it's an opportunistic. You're trying to capitalize on movements in the market and take profits. And so sometimes some work long-term, sometimes some work short-term. This, again, is another way to strategize and to diversify your overall mix of investment assets. So it's just a thought. I don't know that any other firm has ever came to you and said, hey, why don't you try both long-term and short-term investing? Why not have a place in your portfolio for both instead of having to pick one of the sides? So that's all for today's video. I hope that it was informative. If you have any questions, please layer them below in the comment section. If you'd like to follow Smart Prop as we come out with the biggest launch that's ever been done in this industry over the next handful of weeks, feel free to subscribe to this channel and follow our progress. And we'll have all kinds of information on there regarding launch. And as things get closer, some other pet giveaways and things like that. So please click subscribe. I would also encourage you to go to our Discord, which has a plethora of good information, and we will also be keeping everyone up to date there. So that is all, and I hope everyone has a great day. Ryan Lepper, COO, Smart Prop Trader, out.
We're giving away 3 100K Smart Prop Trader Challenge accounts. That's right, we at Smart Prop Trader are rapidly approaching our launch, and we are ready to give away 3 free Smart Prop Trader Challenge accounts. What do you have to do to enter for your chance to win? Well, it couldn't be more easy. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then visit our website where you can provide us with your email. Winners will be announced in early August. We can't wait to see who our lucky winners will be. Good luck to everyone who enters. And don't forget to follow us on all of our socials so you can keep updated on all of the content that we'll be putting out. Thank you very much for watching. This is Joe from Smart Prop Trader. Hope you all have a great rest of your day.